Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Honor 8A to other Android smartphone, in this case this is the Huawei P30 Pro, you have to open the application to transfer data, and we are going to use the phone clone. So use this application and open it on the second smartphone. Right here we have to tap on that. This is the old phone. Click settings, turn off the location, go back, old phone once again, click allow 8 times, and tap on the new phone on your second smartphone, and right here you have to select the old phone type. Of course, this is the Huawei, and right now we can scan the QR code. If you have any problems with your camera, you can input the password manually, of course. And right now they are connecting, so we have to wait. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to just click on the select all and then just click on the transfer. But if you want to go for the details, maybe you want to send one picture or one video, just go for the thing. I'm going for the photos and I'm going to send this one picture. Click OK, then tap on the transfer, input your log method, and as you can see, it's finished. It's very easy. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel.